Mow the lawn for me.
Oh. What's it doing? Is it blowing bubbles? Is it blowing bubbles, Han? You gotta push it. Yeah, bubbles. You gotta push it. Oh.
I wanna try.
As soon as it puffs out some bubbles, she's just so amazed. She's
Yep. Gotta keep pushing. Keep pushing it.
Wanna try?
Let her have a little bit of time with it, Mr. Key.
It's brand new for her. She's not played with it before.
My dad taught me how to fix cars with like the battery.
What are you doing? See all the bubbles?
Can I try? Bubbles.
Yeah. Go ahead, Han. Push it.
Kid requested to play with baby.
Push.
It's not really baby anymore.
Keith, can I try?